Good morning, everyone. Happy Sunday. I was going to show you, because I don't think I've ever showed it. I got a clear glass jug here, and this is all dissolved silver in here, and it's watered down with some distilled water. I'm going to show you what cementing silver actually looks like, because I know I've showed you the after effects, but I don't think I've ever showed you what it looks like when it actually happens. So I put it in a clear jug, and I've got a copper pipe here. And you'll see, once I put this in to the liquid, you're going to see the silver attach itself to the copper pipe and become a solid, and then that'll push the copper ions into a liquid. So they trade places. So watch as I do it. Happens pretty quick. Boom, you see how fast that is? You see the copper already hitting the pipe. I take that out. And that's almost, well, that is pure silver attaching itself right onto the copper. You can see it and give it a little shake, and you can see the pure copper or the pure silver turning into a solid, trading places with the copper ions. Pretty neat, huh? There's the second pipe. See, right there. You just give it a little tap like this, and that brings pure silver. Now it is pure when it attaches, but you get little traces of copper on it, so that's why we say it's about 99% pure. That is what cementing silver actually is, because I know a lot of people, whenever I say that, they don't normally know what I'm talking about. So there's cool, huh? You can see it happen in real time. That's a lot more silver than I was expecting, so that's good. This was leftover electrolyte from my big cell that I had in the stainless steel basket. So I'm just gonna, now that I'm done with that, I'm just cementing out the silver for it, and then we'll run it through. Well, that's pretty cool. You don't see that every day. That is cementing silver. So I'll give this a day or so. I throw a couple more pieces of copper in just so we have enough in there, because it will literally eat the copper pipe and make it into, like, I don't know, it dissolves it obviously because the copper goes into liquid. So I want to have enough copper in there to get all the silver out. So I don't think you can have too much. I just got a copper pipe and a couple of these little copper plumbing bits. And if I showed it long enough, you would see the actual pipe getting dissolved. Give it a little stir, and that's all pure silver coming out. So after this, I'll give this a day, and then tomorrow we'll go through the process again of filtering all this out, washing it, and then we'll melt it into shot, and then we run it through this guy, and we get these beauties through the electrolysis system. You can see my anode basket's getting a little low. I'm going to remove this solution today and do the exact same thing with this. I'm going to cement out all the silver from this guy, and then I'm going to make brand new electrolyte, and I think I'm going to try to build some bigger crystals, because as you can see, these guys are, I'm going more for speed and quantity here. I'm not going for big ones. My electrolyte is low, so that's why you get kind of like more smaller little bits, which is kind of what I want right now. And then I'm going to grow some bigger ones next time, but I got to make new electrolyte So I'm just growing as many crystals as I can right now, just to get rid of all this stuff. And I may actually run this stuff through it as well. Look how much silver has already come on the bottom here. Looks like a snow globe. Hey, that could be a cool idea. A snow globe of silver. Anyways, just wanted to show you. That is cementing silver. And it's the same thing with copper. If you have copper in your solution, you stick the iron in it like this, and same thing would happen. Copper would come out and iron would go in. So there you go. That is cementing silver. You can see it in real time. By tomorrow, all of this will have settled onto the bottom, and it should just be a dark blue liquid with all of the silver at the bottom. I'll just let that sit. Every now and then you just give it a little bang like that, and then it'll all fall to the bottom. I've already accumulated quite a bit down there. So I'll do it again with the remainder of this, and then we're good to go. That's all I wanted to show you today. Hope you enjoyed cementing silver.